Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. This tool is in every pharmacy and it can help you get rid of the dust in the house. A great way to overcome the dust at home. Do you still struggle with dust? Have tried all the known and unknown ways, and the result is still not there? How much money did you spend for tools against dust? Do you care about each of the questions, but have you found the right answers? Then run to the pharmacy and buy the most budgetary means. What kind of miracle is this, you ask? And the answer is very simple: glycerin. As everyone knows, glycerin is often added to detergents and to various hand creams. Its secret is that it creates a transparent film that does not allow dust to get to your furniture. How can you use this tool to overcome the dust? Take a rag and pour quite a bit of glycerin, then wipe the surfaces that most often suffer from dust and dirt. The result will please you very much, and in the old furniture there will be a new life. Furniture is not the only thing in your home where you can experience glycerin. After all, it also excellently removes horrible stains from underwear and clothes, also adds to your hands a luster of at least as much furniture. As mentioned before, very often glycerin is added to cosmetic products. Just a drop to the shampoo and you'll notice how much your hair has become shiny. Another home problem is sex. To give your laminate or parquet a good look and cleanliness, add a few drops of glycerin to the water and see pleasant changes in your house. Do not overpay for funds that do not work. The best way is cheap. And you can find glycerin in any pharmacy. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.